So hello students, welcome to mathematics class. So what we have discussed in our previous class, we have did some examples, isn't it? Example 7, example number 8 and example number 9 also I have given you idea how and what you have to do. So now in this class you have example number 10 also, which is based upon the ratio. You can do it very easily. Okay, so now I am going to start exercise 2.2. Okay, exercise 2.2. In that we are having question number 1. We won't be doing all the questions. Okay, we will be just solving few questions as we have already did examples, isn't it? So based upon triangles, I have already said about these triangles in our previous class. I have explained you just remember. Okay, so here A, here we have P, here we have C, and here we have D. So the angle is X here. Here we have 56 degree. Interior angle we don't know. Here we have 23 degree. So as I have said in our previous class, sum of two interior angles is equals to one opposite exterior angle, isn't it? Am I right or wrong? Sum of interior angle of triangle is how much? Okay, sum of interior angles of triangle is 180 degree, isn't it? So if I add all the interior angles, I will be getting 180 degree. But here I don't have any value, isn't it? I have already said you about this topic in this previous class, isn't it? I think in part 3 I have discussed you about this, isn't it? If I add these two angles, then I will be getting one exterior angle, isn't it? Why? Because it forms a straight line, that is 180. From 180 if I remove 123, okay, from 180 if I remove 123, I will be getting value. If I remove 180 minus 123, then I will be getting 57 degrees. So here I am getting 57 degree, isn't it? So now we can see if you add these three angles, again you are getting 180 degree. Why? Sum of interior angles of triangle is equals to 180 degree. Am I right? So you can see here, it means that if I add these three angles, again I am getting 180 degree. If I remove this, on adding these both, I am getting 123 or not. So you are having two procedures, one to find interior angle and again solve this, and another one is using second topic, that is sum of two interior angles. Sum of two interior angles is always equals to one opposite exterior angle. So these angles are lying inside the triangle and this angle is lying outside, and that also opposite to these both the angles, isn't it? So because of this, the topic is sum of two interior angles is equals to one exterior angle. So here we will write given triangle ABC. So here we are having triangle ABC. What is D? D is the extended part of C, isn't it? So ABC is the triangle here, and what are the angles? Angle A is equals to 56 degree, angle B is equals to X degree, and angle C is equals to 1 degree. Let me tell you one thing, that if I take angle C here, you can see angle A 56, very good, angle B X degree, very good, I have taken, but angle C represents interior or exterior, I can't say it properly. So because of that reason, directly not writing A, B, C, I will be taking consideration of three angles, okay, 3 points, so that we will be getting that easily. Hope you all understood, isn't it? It means that, see here, I have written angle C is equals to 123, but what it defines, is it interior or exterior angle? As we have the diagram, we are directly saying that, okay, exterior angle, it is lying outside. So but if he didn't give you diagram, he just gave you in word problem way. So then what you will do? So that for that, what do? You just don't write A, B, C. So you will be taking, okay, representation depending upon the other points also. So behalf of writing A, what I am doing here, I am taking BAC, angle BAC. Okay, it means that BC becomes ray here. It remove for this angle. I am taking BAC as an consideration. So angle is at A. It should be written in a center. Okay, similarly for B, I will write ABC, angle ABC, and for this one I will write ACD. ACD. When I write interior angle of C, then I will write ACB, isn't it? So ACD as angle is at C, I am writing this in center. Hope you all understood. Okay, what method we are solving this? Sum of two interior angles is equals to one exterior angle. So we know in triangle, sum of two interior angles is equal to opposite exterior angle, isn't it? So therefore, if I add this both, I will be getting 123, isn't it? Sum of two interior angles is one exterior angle, opposite exterior angle. Therefore, so that is angle BAC plus angle ABC is equals to opposite exterior angle is 123, angle ACD. So substitute the values. 56 degree plus x degree is equals to 123 degree. So what is 56 here? 56 is adding to x. So for removing 56, what we will do? We'll be using additive inverse of 56, isn't it? So now, so what is the additive inverse of 56? Minus 66, isn't it? 56. So subtract 56 on both sides, 56 degree, isn't it? So 56 degree minus 56 degree plus x degree is equals to 123 degree minus 56 degree. Plus 56 minus 56 will become 0. So x degree is equals to 123 minus 56. 123 minus 56. So here I can't write, I have to take borrow. 13, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much I have got? 7, isn't it? Similarly here also we want, here 1 is left, isn't it? We can't remove 5 from 1. Again you have to take borrow from here, that is a level. A level minus 5 is 6, isn't it? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 6. So here totally we are getting 67 degree. Hope you all understood, isn't it? So this how you will find the value of x. So you can see 57 plus 60. See here, if I add this value I have got as 67 degree. If I add this both, you can see 56, 67, 7 plus 6, 13, 6 plus 6, 12. Again I have got 123 degree. So this is the very important topic. Okay, so sum of two interior angles is one exterior is equals to one opposite exterior angle. Okay, you have to remember this. Okay, this is very very important. You will be getting in your future also, okay, such type of problems. Okay, now, so first bit is same. You just try. I have already said you about adjacent, opposite, vertically opposite, straight line. Such angles I have already defined you, isn't it? So now let me do one more problem. So here second one is easy, very easy. Directly sum of three angles is 180 degree. Similarly third one also, sum of, here we are having three interior angles. So sum of three interior angles is equals to 180 degree. Similarly in fourth one you have isosceles triangle, isosceles, that is two sides are equal, two sides and opposite two angles are also equal. I am doing question number 5, which is the same as question number 4. This is the extended part of question number 4. Okay, so question number 5 you can see there, diagram will be like this. So here you have P, A, O, C, D, Okay, so this is the thing what he had given in the question, and what he asked in the question, he asked to find the value of x. So you can see here we are having two isosceles triangles. Am I right? You can see here we are having two isosceles triangles. First one is, here we are having two triangles, isn't it? So you can see first one is OAB. So given two triangles, isn't it? Triangles, if in, you can write like this, triangle. Okay, here we have two triangles. This is the short form, okay, triangles. So here we are having two triangles, that is, first triangle is OAB and second triangle is OCD. OCD. It does not matter when you take the triangle, you have to take A only in the center, B only in the center. If he asked in the question, okay, in different way, then only you have to take. Otherwise he didn't say anything, he just asked about the value of x. So directly you can take any angle. Okay, you can take like OBA as angle present in the middle. Okay, as if you want, you can take. Okay, now coming to the point. So these both are equilateral isosceles triangle. You can see here, these lines represents these both are equal, and this double line represents these both are equal, isn't it? So what is equal? OA is equals to AB, isn't it? And similarly in this triangle, what are equal? OC is equals to CD. OC is equals to CD. Am I right or wrong? Here given in the question, see here, these both are equal. These both are equal. This line represents equal symbol only, isn't it? And you already know. What do you know? If any two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. Opposite angles are also equal. Two sides are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. You can see here, these two sides are equal. What is the opposite angle of this? 3x plus 10. Then its opposite angle is also equal, 3x plus 10. Hope you all understood, isn't it? Why? Because here AB, OA, these two sides are equal. Okay, the angles to the equal, okay, the angles to the equal opposite sides are also equal. It means that these sides are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. And here, if it is 3x plus 10, it is 3x plus 10, this will be also 3x plus 10. Why? Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Again here you can see these both the sides equal. Angle to this side is 3x plus 10. Then angle to this side will also become 3x plus 10. Understood? Okay, let me tell you one more time. See here, these both the sides are equal. The angle to this opposite side are also equal. So this is 3x plus 10, this is also 3x plus 10. As two lines are meeting, as we have discussed in previous class, two lines are meeting at one point. Therefore, vertically opposites angles are also equal. If this is 3x plus 10, this is also 3x plus 10. Now again in this diagram, CD, OC is equal, isn't it? CD and OC is equal. So this side opposite angle is 3x plus 10. Here it will be also 3x plus 10, isn't it? So since angle ABC is equals to angle ABC is equals to AOB. AOB is equals to how much? 3x plus 10 degree. Why? Since angles to opposite or you can write, if two sides equal, then opposite angles also equal. Okay, just remember this. Okay, next AOB angle AOB is equals to what I said, AOB equals to COD. Angle COD is equals to 3x plus 10. Why? Since why we have taken this both equal? Why? Because vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Similarly, again, as OC equals to OD, again these both the angles are equal. Angle AOB, okay, AOB is equals to angle COD. Why? Since OC is equals to CD. Directly I have written this condition. I didn't wrote this. Okay. So now these all the angles are equal. That is 3x plus 10 degree. Okay. So these are the conditions. Now here clearly we are getting three angles of this triangle. So sum of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So therefore, okay, from interior angles of triangle OCD, what do we have? All the three angles, sum of all the three angles is equals to 180 degree. So 2x plus 3x plus 10 plus 3x plus 10 degree is equals to 180 degree. Sum of interior angles is 180 degree. We have got this triangle now. We are taking this triangle. So sum of interior angles is equals to 180 degree. So 2x plus 3x 5x, 5x plus 3x 8x plus 10 plus 10. Here we have got 20 is equals to 180. 20 is adding here. So we have to subtract 20 on both the sides. So here I am erasing the diagram. Hope you all understood this figure. Okay. So here subtract 20 on both sides. So here 8x plus 20 minus 20 degree is equals to 180 degree minus 20 degree, isn't it? 180 degree minus 20 degree plus 20 minus 20 is 0. So 8x is equals to 180 minus 20, 160 degree. Again 8 is multiplying to x. So we have to divide. So divide 8 on both sides. So 8x divided by 8 is equals to 160 divided by 8. 8 ones are cancel and 160. 8 ones are 8 20s are, isn't it? So therefore x is equals to, we have got 20 degree. If you divide 160 by 8, you will be getting 20 degree, isn't it? So therefore the angle is 20 degree. The value of the x is 20 degrees. Variable value is 20 degrees. Okay. So this is how you have to solve the question. You have to solve the problem. Okay. So this thing is generally based upon. So by this we have completed exercise first bit in exercise 2.2. Okay. So this is based upon geometrical figures, that is specifically this is based upon the triangles. So in triangles you will be taking, if he had given the angles, then you will be taking that, okay, you will be taking that sum of interior angles of the triangle or the relation between interior and exterior angles. So this is how you have to solve the problem. Okay. So hope you all can do the problems from exercise 1. You can see in the textbook. Okay, first bit is just now we have completed. Now coming to second bit, the difference between two numbers is 8. So as we don't know the two numbers, I will be taking x and y as the two numbers. So difference is 8. It means that x minus y. Okay, so two numbers are x and y. X and y are the two numbers. So x minus y is equals to 8. Difference between two numbers, x minus y is equals to 8. If 2 added to bigger number, let us take this bigger number, let us take this a smaller number. 2 is added to bigger number, x plus 2, isn't it? 2 is added to bigger number. the result will be 3 times the smaller number. Result equals to 3 times the smaller number. Smaller number is y, so 3 into y. If you simplify, you will be getting the answer. Okay, find the numbers, you can easily find those numbers. What are those numbers? Those are 2 numbers whose sum is 58 and difference is 28. Again, here, this is question number 2. For question number 3, here what I am doing, I am just basically giving you idea as we have completed in example problems, isn't it? You can see that examples clearly and you can solve this. If you have doubts, you can comment me. Okay, now coming to question number 3, what are those 2 numbers whose sum is 58 and difference is 28? Here also we are having 2 numbers, we don't know x and y. Sum x plus y is 58. Difference x minus y is 28. Vertically solve this, substitute, you will be getting the values of x and y as we have did in example. Okay, now the sum of 2 consecutive odd numbers is 56. Find the number. So what is a consecutive? Let me tell you about a consecutive. So this one, as this topic we didn't discuss, so I am telling this question. Okay, so what he asked in the question, the sum of 2 consecutive odd numbers is 56. Fourth solution, sum of 2 consecutive numbers, consecutive odd numbers, is 56. Then what we need to do? We need to find the numbers. Okay, we need to find the numbers. You can see here he had given 2 consecutive odd numbers. Can you tell me what are the odd numbers? Odd numbers are those numbers which can't be divisible by 2. It is one definition. Okay, the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called as odd numbers, isn't it? The numbers which are not divisible by 2 are odd numbers. This is first definition. Can I say the numbers which are divisible by 2 or then which are divisible by 2 are called as even numbers, isn't it? We are not discussing about even, we are discussing about odd. The numbers when they are divisible by 2, then we will get the remainder 1, isn't it? So let me tell you, if I am dividing, you know 3 is an odd number. Why? Why? Because when I divide 3 by 2, 2 ones are 2, my remainder will remains 1. If I take 9, you can see here 2 fours are 8, again I will be getting remainder as 1, isn't it? If I take 31, okay, 31 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, I am getting 11. So 2 fives are 10, then again I am getting remainder 1. Can I define in such way? So my definition will change. The number, odd numbers are the numbers which leaves remainder 1 when they are divisible by 2. This topic is very, very important. Okay, you already know the definition of odd numbers and I have given you one more definition of this odd number. Okay, what is the definition? The number which is, the odd number is a number which leaves the remainder 1 when it is divisible by 2. You just remember this thing. Okay, so now coming to consecutive. So can you tell me what is the first odd number? 1. Next 3. After this 5, isn't it? After 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, some so on, I am getting odd numbers, isn't it? These all are the odd numbers. Am I right? So these all are odd numbers. So what about consecutive? Yes sir, we know about the odd numbers. We have got clearly the definition of odd numbers. Then what do you mean by 2 consecutive? Let me tell you, consecutive, one after another, isn't it? Okay, the number should not, it won't be so longer, it should be shorter. It means that the distance should not be longer, it should be shorter. So if I ask you, you will be telling, where will Ramu lives? He is my neighbor. For whom you will be calling the neighbor? if they are living, okay, in the sidewise of your house, then you will be saying that as a neighbor. If they are living, okay, relatives are different and neighbors are different. So who are living, okay, nearby you, they are called as neighbors, and those who are family persons, they are called as relatives, isn't it? So now in these also, consecutive means one after other, that is neighbors. They should be neighbors. So if I take consecutive, 1 and 3 are the consecutive numbers. Why? The odd number which is back after the 1 is 3, and the number which is after 3 is directly 5. After 5, directly 7. 7, after 7, directly 9. So 1 and 3 are consecutive, isn't it? 3, 5 are also consecutive. You can take here. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3 consecutive, or 5, 3 consecutive, or 5, 7 consecutive, 7, 9 consecutive, 9, 11. Okay, like this. Consecutive means sidewise, one after another. So 1, 3 consecutive, 3, 5 consecutive. Can I take 1, 5 as consecutive? No, I can't take. Why? Because one more odd number is present in the middle, that is 3. Can I say 1 and 13 are consecutive? No, I can't say. These are odd, but they are not coming one after another. They are not they are relatives, but they are not in neighbor. Okay, so because of that reason I can't say that. So consecutive means just after this number, the odd number just after the previous number. Okay, so hope you all understood. Now coming to odd, what I said, whenever the number is divisible by 2, then it will it will keep the remainder as 1. So here I am taking one odd number as 2x plus 1 and another as 2x minus 1. Okay, one as 2x minus 1 I will take first, and second I will take 2x plus 1. Can I take these two odd numbers? How, sir? See here, if I take the value of x as 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Like that we will be getting the odd numbers. So about these we will be going to discuss in our next class. Okay, so this is how you will be finding the consecutives. Okay, so preceding of this solution we will be discussing our succeeding of the solution we will be discussing in our next class. Okay, thank you.